Okay, so we're going to start off with alternating our hands on the sledgehammer. Remember, if you're using it on a tire, don't knock yourself silly with it. Okay, after you knock off about 25 of those, or whatever feels right to you, come right over to your chain, get a good grip on it, keep your arms in close. We want to work some of our abdominals, low back, and here's our shaking part. So rolling those back and forth. Take about a 20-second break, pick it up and do it again. Knock out 5 to 10 series of that. Hit it.